doon po sa ating dalawang kalihim. Meron po tayong dalawang kalihim na nag-anunsyo. Ang sinabi po ng PICO na nagbitiw ang dalawang opisyal nito at tinanggap ng Pangulo. Ngunit, dininay po ito ng ating Executive Secretary nung sinabi niya na hindi naman daw siya nag-resign. Sinabi po sa kanya na meron daw tumawag sa kanya at siya ay sinabing bumaba na. Ito po yung mga ganitong mga ganap ang hindi po nakakatulong para sa atin. Sapagkat naku-confuse po ang tao. Opo. Bilang kayo po ang pamantayan at kayo po ang pinanggagalingan ng mga impormasyon, ano po ang pwedeng gawin ng PICO upang maiwasan po yung mga ganitong klaseng maling pahayag? Opo.
I agree with you, Mr. President. Messaging is so important. Disinformation, misinformation, inaccuracy, lost in translation confuses the people. Even if you have good intentions, if you said it wrong, or if you intentionally meant to confuse, then that is wrong. And so, there must be clear source of messaging. Isa lang ang gagawa ng mensahe. Hindi pwedeng iba, hindi naman pwedeng nagsasalita, may balita na hindi na-vet, na hindi na-verify, na hindi nako-confirm. Hindi pwede yung akala, hindi pwede yung hindi alam, hindi pwede hindi nag-uusap. Now, per the specific instance that you're mentioning, why was there a miscommunication? I would just surmise, I'm not even asking the agency, that probably there was no clear coordination. Bakit ba? The PCO secretary says that the announcement given by the president himself was conveyed to the PCO, and that is the source of their declaration or their message. So in this case, you followed the process, which is the president himself through the Derecho sa Inyo gave that statement.
So parang sinasabi po, ginang na tagapangulo, na naglabas po kaagad ang USEC nila ng pahayag na hindi po ito opisyal?
I am told that the undersecretary's statements emanated from the president.
Yes, it was cleared.
It was cleared. Cleared by whom?
Cleared by me.
Cleared by the secretary, and the secretary cleared it with the president.
I was, yes, the information
Yes.
was relayed to me.
Ang
The
ibig pong
information-
sabihin, opo,
The information conveyed by the undersecretary was cleared with the secretary who cleared it.
so yun po ang
With the
tamang
president.
impormasyon, hindi po yung kumakalat sa media. Kasi may kumalat po sa media na ang sinasabi ng ating dating executive secretary na hindi po yun ang naganap. So ang naganap po talaga yung sinasabi po ng ating USEC.
Yes.
Again,
Yun po ang para alam po natin
Okay.
kung ano talaga yung
Maliwanag.
statement. Opo.
again, because this will go down in history, ha? Tas ako nagde-defend ng budget, ha?
Opo.
Hindi po ako privy sa sinasabi po nila. Ako ay taga-defend ng budget. Pero ito, hindi budgetary process ito. Ito'y kaganapan ng kasaysayan.
Opo.
Pero para po maliwanag, may mga side, you want to go. You can say it in the microphone, yeah. Just so that it's clear. Because I'm saying this so that it's clear that I am the messenger. I'm trying to explain. According to the PCO, they cleared the statement with the president.
Opo.